I'm on that white horse, I'm Hercules. I ball out like rage on Rondo. Get him drunk, then take him to my condo.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you guys know what day it is. Today is the day that we put in the coilovers. We're pretty keen, can't lie. We're sick of looking at this stock height, you know. Like, look at that gap, that fitment, should I say? Ooh. So we're just gonna see what it looks like stock height with the coilovers, like with what they're already adjusted to from what we've gotten them as, and see how it goes from there. But yeah, pretty keen. Had to get red ones because, you know, the offset's red, black, and white. So yeah, but we'll show you the steps as we go through and how it comes together, I guess. But yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so this time I'm gonna try my best to actually show you how to do things rather than me talking most of the video. But you know, so to change out for your coilovers, right, you need to obviously take off the bottom bolt, which is just here, which is also on the other side, which they're 17s. So once you take those off, you can knock that bolt, the bolt here, you just knock it through to the other side here, pull it out, and then you're gonna have to undo this one. Now, if you have a joint splitter, one that sits in, just in there, oh wait, no, just in there, sorry, and you have it so it tightens up onto that, it pushes it through, that makes your job a lot more easier. If you have one that's like just a bar, it can normally destroy these rubber seals and stuff, which is not good, but what can you do, really? So I want to get one that can push up on there and makes your life so much more easier. Then the next one you're gonna have to undo is the two bolts on top, which are these two here. Undo those, and that's what releases it from the top here. Then from there, it should all just fall down. You should be able to push this down. This will all come down with it, like right here. This will all come down, being able to push this down. And if you still can't get it out after that, there's one bolt here, which you can undo. And that will loosen this part from the fork arm here. You just pull them apart, and this can just slide out. And then you can pull them out separately, and then you can put your new coilovers in, boy. But you know what was good. So yeah, after I've done that, I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. Alrighty. Now, we've finally got the front ones on, and it's pretty much the same process as doing like taking them off. It's just doing it backwards. So they're all on. They're all looking nice and slick up in here. Especially better than the previous ones we got here. Fuck yeah, sick. Yeah, gotta love them. And the other side's on now too. You also gotta love, you know, when you're putting something on, a bolt just doesn't want to go or something, BAM! You smack your fucking fingers. Yeah, sick car things. But other than that, we are all Gucci gang. I didn't realise I cut myself while I was bleeding until I felt something wet down my finger. I was like, oh, I'm bleeding. Funny. But yeah, other than that, he's looking for a 15mm socket, spanner, anything. I got more tools in my shed, but that's going to be digging and a half. It's got to be one socket or something. Like, there's always one of them you just don't have, but you know. But yeah, so now we're just going to get onto the rears, and then we'll show you exactly what to do from there as well. And yeah, sweet as. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the first test of lowering it. The coilovers are in, so we'll be dropping it down now, and you guys see the height difference from before and now. Oof. What, the jack won't come out? Can't get the jack. Fuck, I'm gonna have to get my low profile jack in there now. Alright, so okay, we didn't equate for the jack because before we couldn't get it high enough to get on the jack stands. Alright, so this is
minor setback.
Just raise it the tiniest bit. Fuck. Okay, so that can show you, like, we could get the jack under there fine before.
Get your little one.
Alright, that'll do. Yeah, now get my little one. Yeah, I didn't want that intercooler anyway. Alright. I'll show you once it's done, the rears as well, guys. Alrighty, guys. So for the rears, we have to undo. There's 2 screws either side. At the front, there's a screw there to take off the speaker, so you can pull that out. And the rest of that's just all push pins and stuff. So once that is done, you can pretty much pull that off. That should all technically pull out from there, like so. You undo that 1 screw on the back there. Once he's done that, a little bit of show and tell for once. Look at that. Oh. Oh, no. Alright. Once that screws out, then I think he's undone the bottom one. No, he hasn't. There's a plastic one just through these legs there. You can see right there. Yeah, there's one down there. And that's about it, really, that I've noticed. And I think, yeah, the rest of it's all just clips. It just pulls in and out. And it should allow you to basically just pull it out enough so you can get to the back here, just in there. And be able to get to the top 2 there. That's so you can do the rear coils once you need to. But yeah, once that's done, should be pretty similar to the back, to the front. Should just have to pretty much take off that bolt there, which is at the bottom, the 2 at the top, and either it's going to be one of these. I'd say we just have to take off that, and it should be able to push down, and it should be all good. Yeah. And that's about it, really. You should be able to just drop down and away you go. Freaking Bob's your uncle, Honey Jean's your auntie. But yeah. Alright, so now we have gotten the coilovers back in. It was exactly what I said. Had to undo the bottom bolt down here. Undo the top 2, which was behind all the speaker covering and all the rest of it, all your door trims. And it was just this bolt here. And pretty much that bolt allows this to be able to be dropped down. That bolt allows that to unhook pretty much. And basically you just pull this down, that pulls down, and you can pull it straight out, coming out this way. So that's the old ones. Lovely. Whoever owned this car before us must have sent it fucking rally driving. Like, look at these speakers. This is dirt. Look at that fucking smiley face. Look, that's fucking terrible, isn't it? But even the speakers, we're getting new stuff. Like, it's just all mank. Like, that's bad. That's nasty. Oops. We vacuumed the front of the car, but we didn't vacuum the rear. But yeah. So once we lower this, I'll show you another clip of that, and that'll be it for installing coilovers on your EK Civic. This is an EK1, so I'd assume most of them would be the same. It's not a hard process, but yeah, it's good. It's looking nice. A few troubles with a few bolts and stuff, but it's typically all car things. I can't say that every single one's going to be easy. Like, goddamn, don't know how long it's been sitting there for. It's rust welded itself on there or whatnot, but shit happens. We got there in the end, and yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna put the wheels back on, lower it, and then I'll show you a clip of us lowering it. Alrighty, this is round 2. Let's see if the jack gets stuck on this one. We just thought we would make the same mistake twice. But this is us lowering it again. Let's see the difference. That gap's already fucking lower. It's almost touching the ground. Is the jack okay? Like... Is it gonna get stuck? It's on the ground. Is the jack stuck? Oh, just, but that is slammed. That is so much more slammed. That looks fucking sick. I love it. That ride height difference already. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I painted the hubcaps for lols. Just for now, until we get the other rim sorted for it. But it looks so much fucking better. Because we're meant to be going to a meet tonight, so... Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's gonna be the end for this episode, anyway. But yeah, we're gonna get yellowed. Nah, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. I tried to show you guys a little bit more on how to do things in this episode, but in the future, I'm still gonna try and get a stand, like a tripod, so I can film myself actually doing the work. But other than that, just gonna have to deal with this for now. But hopefully you guys learned something and like the outcome of the slammed little Civic. But yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Bye.